Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are standing in front of a different vibe because we are going to be doing a massive closet clean out. As you can see, we are dealing with a lot of stuff. I can barely even move. If you guys are excited for that, make sure you subscribe before you get into the video, but without further ado, let's get into it. Maybe I should start off with the dresses so we can get into it with some fun stuff. So that's gonna be on that side. I pulled out all of these pink tank dresses and I want to go through these and see exactly what I'm going to be wearing. I think I might get rid of this. I thought I would wear it more often because it's like a chill, like one-piece vibe, but I feel like the hot pink is just not really for me. I wore it once when I was clubbing in New York, but I just feel like it's a lot, you know? Maybe let's just put this in our giveaway pile. This was kind of like what I was wearing as a work dress, but even as a work dress, I kind of find it hateful, and I'm kind of in my era of wanting to just invest in things at work that I feel good about because like you spend so much time there. And then I also have this Palm Angels button-up top. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this. I thought it would be cute to go over stuff, like if you're wearing shorts or like a short dress or something and you just have kind of like a little button-up. And it's so oversized that I'm like absolutely enveloped by it, and I think I just kept it because I was like, look at me, I'm swaggy, like I have my Palm Angels on. But like it's not giving that. When I wear it, it just gives like you're wearing a large man's shirt, and it just doesn't look cute. So I think it is time to let go of this one. Now let's go through all the black dresses and see. Okay, so first we have Miss Skims. This was a choice. I thought that I could use this as a mini dress, and I did wear it as that once. It's very see-through, like hello. I just haven't had a use for it like at all. Like I wore it the one time when I went to a concert, and then I was like, is this really the vibe that I want to go for? I don't know. So I might go ahead and get rid of this. I have this Marc Jacobs towel dress. I do think this is really cool as a like bathing suit cover up, or even styled with like a little turtleneck or something. I'm not ready to get rid of her, so I think I'm gonna keep this one for now. We have another fell victim to the Skims moment. This one I do like because it adds really good shape to everything. I don't know if I see myself wearing this. I do have the knit version, long sleeve version as well, that I'm definitely gonna keep because I just wore it recently. I think this is going to go as well. This looks like, would it even fit on me, girl? But I swear it does. I don't know, Miss Brandy Melville isn't for people like me, but also it's kind of cute. Like, should I keep it? I mean, I do have this one too that I love from from Urban Outfitters that I wear all the time. So I think this is a goner and it's the keeper. I think I'm gonna have to keep this dress, you guys. It's just, this is a moment waiting to happen. I have this brown version of the Skims dress. I feel like that's a no for me. And then these two sweater dresses. I love the aesthetic and vibe of this one, but I wore it only once and like one of the seams already ripped. Like, look at that. And also I think it might be a size too big for me as well. I can't tell. I think this one is definitely gonna go as well. This is gonna have to go. I bought it thinking that I would want to wear this, you know, ripped jean vibe. It didn't feel like my aesthetic. They're a little long, and I don't even know if they fit me anymore because they are a little bit big. So I think I might get rid of these. I used to love the crap out of this skirt. It's like a really cute, like cargo lavender skirt. As you can tell, very my aesthetic. I tried to wear it over the summer this year and it just looked so old and like raggedy vibe and might need to be retired. You could tell this would be my vibe, but it doesn't have any like shorts or nothing. So I'm like, how the hell would I ever wear this? And also it just shows all the lumps and bumps because it's like a silk material. So it doesn't really sit well with my body, I feel like, and I think it's just time to go. This one is another one that I kept for a while. It's an why do I think it was IMG? It's a Guizio skirt, but it's just tiny. Like, girl, this is basically a baby top. Like, how am I supposed to wear this on the bottom portion of my body? You know what I mean? It's just too tiny. Like, I cannot be wearing that. I never wear Kappa. This isn't really very me, but the one thing I did like is it gave me a very like mod 60s aesthetic, but I just never found a use for it. And I think like the Kappa signal, you know, little symbol like really bothers me because I'm like, what is the aesthetic of that? I just haven't really worn it for like the past year, maybe even 2 years, so I think it's time to get rid of her. Then I have these shorts. I used to love these to go over, you know, a bathing suit or wear on vacation. Even though they are so cute, I feel like they're representative of like an era that is no longer here, and it's time to get rid of them. As you guys can see, I think I did pretty good. I can move stuff pretty easily, and it's just a lot more manageable. Two very similar vibes here of things that I don't really wear anymore. This was part of a set. It's like a little leggings piece with like a ruched bottom that was supposed to mimic like, you know, knee-high socks or whatever. They're weird, they're flimsy, so we're gonna get rid of that. These I loved for like one season, and I know it's bad, but I feel like it's just like, why did I buy this? Like, I thought this would be so cute in the winter time. This drags on the floor no matter what you wear. Like, you have to be wearing like crazy platforms, and that's not the vibe that I was going for. They do say Hello Kitty on the back, which I think is so cute as part of their like Hello Kitty collab. I think I might have to just get rid of these. I do have these blue jeans that I kept because, again, for work, I was like, they're kind of perfect. I feel like I have other work pants that I would rather go to than to wear these. You can tell I have a bunch of like light color jeans, and that's normally what I go for, and I just like to have more of a unique vibe to the jeans that I wear. So I'm going to get rid of these. Not too much to get rid of in this section, honestly. I mean, you can tell it's not like that full for me, at least. I am, however, going to get rid of these Crybaby long pants that are boot cuts. They are a ribbed material, and sometimes it's just a little heavy, and I don't really like this waistband because when it's really slim like this, it just feels like it pinches, like holds onto my fat, you know what I mean? And it just doesn't feel good. So I think I'm going to get rid of those. I have been holding on to this IMG top for ages. It's way too big. I think it's time I address it and at least take it to get tailored. If they can't do anything about it, I might just have to get rid of it, but it's coming out of the closet for now. This top I thought I would wear so often, and I haven't. I've worn it a few times, but every time I wear it, I just feel like this part is way too long for my body, so it kind of like hangs weirdly on my front. Oh, it's so cute though, isn't it? It's so cute. I think we're gonna have to get rid of it. I think we need to make space for things that I'm going to actually wear. I'm gonna finally get rid of this Skims top too. I never wear it. I just feel like it's so overdone. It is really pretty, like, don't get me wrong, it's really cute, but I don't know, you guys. As it stands, I just feel like it has to go. These two I've held on to for ages, and I still don't wear them. This is like a I thought it was one of a kind, and that's why I bought it. It's like a tie-up sort of just like tank vibe. I like stuff like this that like kind of covers from like here all the way to like my waist, I guess. So I'm probably gonna get rid of this. And this is a tube top, and it's like, girl, you don't wear tube tops. Like, why do you buy them? I thought I would be wearing one of these with it, and I still don't wear it because I hate tube tops. I just do, and I just need to get rid of it. We did some goodness right here. There's a ton of space here. The first thing that needs to go is the Skims crop. I just felt like I was busting out of it when I wore it the last time, and I do have this short sleeve knit option now, so I might get rid of this vibe. I think this past winter season taught me that this is sort of gonna be in retirement for me, so we are going to donate her. I also have this Aritzia top. I don't know what happened to it, but after some wear, it's already pilling so much, and I do have a pill remover, but it just like turns me off to want to wear it, so I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I feel like I used to wear this all the time when I would go on dates before I met my boyfriend, and I thought it was so cute for that vibe because it's just something I could throw on. But when I look at it now, I just think it's so cool toned for my skin. I love pink. I'm wearing it right now, and I never really wear this. This is the opposite problem. I feel like this one is too peachy than the pink that I like. I either like this sort of like rose mauve vibe or like the baby pink of like what I'm wearing now. I think I might have to get rid of her. I have this cool like see-through top, but I do feel like the butterfly print is just not in anymore. anymore. Like, this is giving me like 2020 era. I just never reach for it, so I think we have to get rid of her. This is another sweater situation, but I don't really know what my problem is with it. Maybe it's these green stripes that I feel like kills it. So I think somebody else could find more love in this. I used to be obsessed with this sweater. Unfortunately, I just don't really wear this sweater at all anymore, and I don't really like the yin and yang like situation happening, but I used to wear this all the time. This has been very well loved, and I think it's ready to go on to its new owner now. I don't know, you guys. I just thought that this would be a cool throw over for like a tank top. I do have this in black, and I just wear it as a thing to go over a swimsuit, and I like the black version better because this one kind of looks like spider webs. Like, it's kind of like gross looking, so we're gonna get rid of that. I have this top that I used to really like. I have a basically different version of this that's more of a cream color. They're literally basically like the same top, but I prefer this one because the ruching kind of makes me look like I have too much fabric, so I'm gonna get rid of this. I have this as a workout top, and I just think it's kind of ugly, you know? I feel like it is, you guys. I do like the little thumb holes that it has. I liked it because it had a sweater material look to it, but I'm probably gonna get rid of that. I bought this sweater also to kind of go over like a cute little top of any sort. I really don't wear it that often, and I think I'm probably gonna get rid of this too. I just bought this really cool cardigan that has these really pretty like silver metal materials that is very warm and comfortable. I used to wear this one all the time to work, and it looks a little bit old and chopped up. This is definitely the cuter option. Guys, I'm losing energy. We're almost done with the closet, but let's get rid of this. I have had this sweater. I have worn it several times. I thrifted it a very long time ago, and I just thought I would always come back to it, but I really haven't recently, and I think it's just because it's too big and stretched out. This has definitely been one of my most loved pieces in my closet, and I think somebody else will get to love it now. This flannel, wait, it's cute though, no? I used to love wearing flannels in the fall time because I'm just like, it's so cutesy energy, and I always liked having one that was like a little bit different looking, but I never wore this last year in the fall. I have a preferred flannel in my closet right now. I think this one has spent its time in the closet. This one is a little too close to my skin tone, so I don't love that. Then this one, I don't know, I just don't really like it that much. It's just kind of a basic whatever. I don't really wear it that often. I did get these two San Miro vintage pieces. The problem with them is I think the brown is too warm than what I normally like, so I haven't really worn them very often. This one has like wild like shoulder pads too, which I thought would be like a cool aesthetic choice. I don't love her, so I think these two pieces are going to go. These are two more Skims pieces that were from like a bridal collection. As you can tell, I do love a see-through aesthetic vibe. I just don't really reach for them. These two are going to go. This Reformation top I love. I just never reach for it. It saw the light of day a good few times, and it is a size 8, so it is a little bit big for me now. I think she is ready to go as well. This sweater I used to love the aesthetic of, and I think the idea of it is great, but the materials are just not there. These ribbons kind of come out of it a lot too. I think you could DIY this way better than how this was made, so I think I'm gonna get rid of this. I have this Aloe bodysuit that I used to wear to work out all the time. I did just get a new zip-up jacket that I prefer to wearing something like this, so I'm definitely gonna get rid of this. This is kind of what this section is looking like now. As you can see, there is a pretty good amount of space. I have a lot of clothes that I'm looking at right now, which I will show you guys at the end of everything. This, another tank top bodysuit, I do prefer this, but I do feel like it does have a lot of extra material that is not really flattering for my body, so I'm gonna get rid of this. This is a bodysuit from the H&M Mugler collection, and I did wear this a good few times. I haven't really worn it recently just because I feel like it has like this middle kind of section that is hard to wear a bra with, and I don't know, it just doesn't make me feel very comfortable. So I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. This is a little sweater top that I bought. I liked the way that it fit my body, but I just think it looks a little bit worn at this point. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. This one I bought in Adidas in Colombia. I was gonna get rid of this, but now that I brought it up here, I feel like it is really cute and unique. It's just that I don't wear Adidas that often. I think I'm gonna hold on to this, and also it's very near and dear to me because it is from Colombia too. I do have this Teddy Fresh hoodie that I used to love. Not the biggest fan of them as a brand anymore. Also, it's like Elton John. I don't even listen to Elton John. I will be getting rid of this one. I used to absolutely adore this hoodie. I did get rid of the sweatpants that are supposed to go with this, and it is pretty large. I just feel like I don't really wear it that often anymore. And also it's funny because you can tell that it is from a while ago. It says 2020 right here, and yeah, I just don't really like it that much, so probably gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna get rid of this brown hoodie. I wore it a lot whenever I first got it, and I just feel like I've outgrown it. It's pretty large as well, so it just has to go. I do have this other Hello Kitty little sweatshirt. I feel like white hoodies, like they really have to be a certain type of material for me to want to wear them, because I feel like I'd be getting dirty in my hoodies. Like it's like an errand outfit, you know what I mean? You can't really tell because there's a lot of light going on here, but there is a little bit of like discoloration and stuff already. I just think that this one is gonna have to go. This I really don't wear that often. It's just very decrepit vibes. Like you can see the inside of the hoodie is getting a lot of pilling and stuff, so I'm gonna get rid of that. I don't know what I was thinking, like, girl, this is not your style, but it was on crazy sale at Marshall's whenever I first started my office job, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get use out of this in the winter time. But I just feel like the polka dots are so abrasive. Like they're very sparkly in person, and while I love the blazer and I love the velvet material, I just think I haven't gotten any use out of it. We're gonna get rid of that. I also have this Teddy Fresh sweater. Thought was cute, but yeah, I don't really want to be repping this brand, so going to be getting rid of that. So that's pretty much it for this section. I know there's so many hoodies, but trust and believe that this is my daily uniform, but you can kind of tell I made a good amount of space here. And I think that just really shows that we are making movement in the right direction. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the pile that I'm looking at right now. So this is the beautiful view of all the things that I'll be getting rid of. This pile is about to fall off my bed, but more stuff over there that I am either getting tailored or getting rid of too. So we did some good cleanup here. Okay, so that is it for today's video, you guys. If you want a part 2 of me going through the shoes, the purses, the accessories, and all of that, I have a bunch of like casual t-shirts that I need to go through as well. Definitely let me know. I hope this was a fun and interesting video for you guys. I am in my era of mindful shopping, and I feel very good about it. Comment down below what you think I shouldn't have gotten rid of, or if you guys agree with my decisions. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go, but I will see you in the next video. Bye!